Welcome to my full review of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung's latest flagship that comes packed with new AI features, a powerful processor, and some of the best camera and display technology we've seen in a smartphone. I've been testing this device for 2 weeks, and there's a lot to talk about. Samsung has made some bold claims about AI transforming the smartphone experience. But while AI has grabbed all the headlines, the real stars of the show are the upgraded hardware and camera capabilities. So in today's review, I'm breaking down 5 things I absolutely love about the Galaxy S25 Ultra and 3 things I don't like so much. Plus, I'll help you decide if this phone is actually worth upgrading to. Alright, let's jump in. Samsung has always been the king of smartphone displays, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra takes it up a notch. The phone now sports a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with even thinner bezels, making it the biggest Ultra display yet. But it's not just about size. Samsung has added a new anti-reflective coating, making this screen the best I've ever used outdoors. Whether you're reading a news article, scrolling through social media, or framing a photo in bright sunlight, the screen remains clear, vibrant, and glare-free. And of course, the 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate keeps everything feeling smooth. From gaming to casual scrolling, this is one of the most immersive displays you can get on a smartphone today. Samsung has finally given some love to the ultrawide sensor. The new 50MP ultrawide camera is a huge step up from the previous 12MP sensor. What does this mean in real life? Sharper details, better low-light performance, and more dynamic range. Unlike the main 200MP camera, which sometimes struggles with overprocessing, the ultra-wide camera finds a perfect balance between natural colors and sharpness. And here's my favorite part. It doubles as a macro camera. You can get extremely close to subjects while maintaining crisp details. Plus, the AI-driven image cropping matches it with the main camera for a seamless shooting experience. Powering the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a custom version of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, paired with 12GB of RAM. And let me tell you, this phone is an absolute beast. In daily use, everything from app launches to gaming is incredibly smooth. I ran some benchmarks, and the S25 Ultra outperformed every phone I've tested, including the iPhone 16 Pro and OnePlus 13. This power is especially noticeable with AI tasks. Whether it's real-time translation, photo editing, or multitasking, the new Snapdragon chip handles it effortlessly. And while you may not immediately need this much power, it future-proofs the phone for years to come. One of my favorite upgrades this year is the new Pro Video tools. Samsung has introduced a smooth zoom slider, which lets you seamlessly zoom in and out while recording video. The transition feels cinematic and professional, making it a great tool for content creators. Another standout feature is Audio Eraser. This tool uses AI to reduce background noise like wind, music, or crowd chatter. I tested it in a busy coffee shop, and it noticeably improved the clarity of my voice while minimizing unwanted noise. Low-light video has also seen improvements, and Samsung has added L-Log video recording for pro-level color grading. This is a huge win for filmmakers looking to fine-tune their footage. Samsung's Gemini AI integration is surprisingly useful. You can give one command, and it will complete multiple steps across different apps. For example, I asked it to find upcoming Warriors games and add them to my notes, and it did flawlessly. It even searched my email for upcoming events and auto-filled my calendar. Now, there's a learning curve because most of us are used to doing things step by step, but once you get the hang of it, it's a huge time saver. AI is great when it works, but sometimes it doesn't. For example, I took a photo inside LinkedIn's office, and Samsung's AI confidently told me it was a museum in San Francisco. It's not a deal breaker, but it's a reminder that AI still has a long way to go before we can fully rely on it. Let's be honest. $1,300 is a lot for a phone. The regular Galaxy S25 offers similar performance and longevity for $500 less. Unless you really need the Ultra's bigger screen and extra camera features, the standard S25 and S25 Plus are better deals. And let's not forget, this phone doesn't even fold in half. Remember when Samsung was bold and experimental? The S25 Ultra feels a little safe. Gone are the days of wild colors and crazy features like 100x space zoom branding. Now it's a sleek, minimal design, which is fine, but it doesn't scream excitement. And that wraps up my review of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's an amazing phone, packed with powerful hardware and smart AI tools. But at $2,300, it's not for everyone. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button and let me know in the comments. What's your favorite feature of the S25 Ultra? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.